Air Services Australia's ADO portal is a one-stop shop to efficiently view and manage your aeronautical data. In this video, we'll walk through how to create and submit a data change request. Start by navigating to the DCR page from the My Dashboard page. To create a new DCR, click on Create Change Request. A pop-up will appear, prompting you for the type of data change you're requesting and the date you'd like the change to come into effect. Critical cut-off and publication dates are displayed here, which determines when your data change will come into effect. It's important that you remember to submit your DCR before the publication cut-off date so that your information is published on time. If you need your information published earlier, consider issuing a NOTAM. Once you click Confirm, the DCR Edit page will display. On the left, select your Y code and the document you would like to view. If your organisation isn't associated with an aerodrome, you can leave the Y code field blank. To make your document bigger and easier to read, click here to open the document in a new tab. You can also view your document on the Air Services website by clicking here. From here, use the drop-down menus and the New Value field on the right to complete your DCR. First, complete these fields so that we know which section of your publication the data change will impact. The document field is the Air Services publication in which you'd like to make the change. The data field relates to the relevant section of that publication. Some changes may require a NOTAM or consultation with another organisation. These reminders will appear here once you select the relevant data field. When it's time to add new data or change your existing data, it's important to ensure Air Services can easily see what data you want added or changed. On the left, scroll to the section of the publication that relates to your data change. Once you've found the selection of data you want to change, copy and paste the data into the text box on the right. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy, and Ctrl+V to paste it over here. Now you can enter new data or make changes to existing data. Using the editing widget here, highlight any new or changed data, or strike through any data you want to delete. You can also bold, italicize and underline your text where necessary to make it easy for Air Services to understand your change. When you've completed your change, click Save Change and your DCR will appear down here. Multiple data change requests can be made within the same DCR, provided your changes fall within the same change type and are for the same Y code. If the change type or Y code is different, you'll need to start a new DCR. At the top of the page, there's an optional comment box for you to share any supporting information with Air Services about your DCR. You can also add attachments to support your DCR here. If you've finished your DCR, click on Submit Change Request to send it to Air Services for review. If you need more time to work on your DCR, save it as a draft and complete it later. Remember to submit your DCR before the publication cut-off date. Once you click Submit, you'll be taken back to the DCR page where you can view all your submitted and draft DCRs. If more information about a DCR is required from you, the DCR status will show this in red. Click the View icon to see which changes are approved and which changes require additional information. If necessary, you can find comments on the DCR from Air Services here. When you're ready, click the pencil icon to edit your DCR and resubmit it when complete. In this video, we've covered starting a new DCR, editing existing data, adding comments and relevant attachments to a DCR, and submitting a DCR. If you need help at any time, You can access detailed training materials, including this video, up here. You can also hover over headings and click the help icons within the portal, and if available, further information will be displayed. Thanks for helping to capture vital information to enable safe and efficient air travel for all who use our skies.